Most field service companies waste hours every week fixing spreadsheet mistakes, double bookings, missing invoices, and jobs that never get followed up. The switch to field service software usually fixes those three problems first. By the end of this, you'll know how to move from spreadsheets into software without breaking your schedule or losing customer data. Here's the direct answer. Don't move everything at once. Move your customer data first, your jobs second, and your automations last. Start with your spreadsheet. If you're using Excel or Google Sheets for customers, jobs, and invoices, split them into separate tabs. 1 for customers. 1 for active jobs. 1 for unpaid invoices. This makes importing cleaner. Your customer sheet should include name, phone number, email, service address, and notes. Remove duplicate entries. Fix empty fields. Standardize phone numbers. Bad data creates bad imports. Next, pick the software based on how you work. If you need scheduling and invoicing, tools like Jobber or House Call Pro handle that. If you need heavier dispatching or multi-tech workflows, platforms like ServiceTitan or FieldPulse can make more sense. Don't choose based on features you'll never use. Choose based on what replaces your current spreadsheet problems. Now, import your customer list. Most field service apps let you upload a CSV file. Export your spreadsheet as CSV, upload it, and map the columns correctly. Always test with 10 customer records first. If names, addresses, and notes look right, upload the full list. After that, rebuild your services. Add your most common jobs, pricing, and descriptions. For example, HVAC tune-up, drain cleaning, lawn maintenance, pest treatment. This speeds up estimates and invoices. Next comes scheduling. Instead of manually dragging jobs around in a spreadsheet, create live calendar bookings inside the software. Assign technicians, set time windows, and add customer reminders. This is usually where people save the most time. Then set up payments. Connect your card processor, test an invoice, and make sure payment links work before going live. Final step, run both systems for 1 week. Keep your spreadsheet active while your software handles new work. This catches missing customer records or job notes before you fully switch. Here's the quick recap. Clean your spreadsheet first. Import customers before jobs. Set up services, scheduling, and payments before shutting down the old system. Your next step is simple. Export your customer list today and test it inside one field service app. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. More field service software guides are on the way.